Good morning, you guys. I woke up a while ago and I thought that I would just, show you all what I eat in a day. I did a video exactly like this a while ago and you all loved it, and so many of you guys wanted me to do it again, so I thought I would just do it. It's like a random Monday and that's when I'm shooting this video. And again, a quick disclaimer, this is not what I eat every day. This is just what I'm eating today, whatever is available, whatever I can eat. I'm not attaching anything as such to this video. It's just gonna be like a chill thing. So just me showing my best to you, like, look, I ate this today, what did you eat? So you all also let me know in the comments what you had while you're watching this, or in general before that, after that, whatever. So basically I usually start my mornings with like a hot cup of water, and either I put like lemon in it or maybe chia seeds in it, or just like regular plain hot water. So I've done that already and now I'm super hungry. It's like 9 right now, so I'm gonna fix myself some breakfast. We are gonna ignore the dead flowers in the background, please. I know I have to remove them. I will do that because it's a Monday. Usually I restock all my groceries on like a Monday, start of the week, but I am going to my hometown, so right now I've just called for things that I'm gonna be using maybe today or tomorrow, because I leave tomorrow night or day after tomorrow, I don't remember. But let me show you all what I got right now. We obviously have avocado, which we're gonna have right now. We have some walnuts, and then we have some oat milk, and we also have some almond milk, and that's pretty much it. I just called for these 4 things. Now today's breakfast is gonna be pancakes and avocado toast and matcha. Last year I don't think I had like good heavy breakfast. I was having like just one thing, but then I realized I really need to do like a heavy good breakfast, and for some reason my appetite, especially during the morning, has increased. Maybe because of the workouts I do in the morning, maybe my Pilates, I don't know, but yeah, that's what we are gonna make right now. This is what I'm going to use for my pancakes. It's from Gladful. I only started having these like 2 days ago when I ordered them. They are so yummy and they're apparently healthy. For my matcha, I am using this one from Glow Glossary. I've tried it before and I quite really like it. It's just a basic ceremonial grade matcha. So yeah, now let's quickly start making our breakfast. I'm so hungry. I kept my whisk in like hot water so it opens up properly, and now I'm gonna pour like a little bit of hot water in my matcha and we're gonna whisk it. I'm also gonna put like a little bit of sweetener. You can use honey, you can use maple syrup. I'm using stevia right now because I don't have honey, I don't have maple syrup right now. So this is the sweetener that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna hope that it sort of tastes good. You guys, breakfast is ready. I think this looks like such a fulfilling breakfast. I know everything is gonna be perfect, but we have to try the matcha. Oh my god, I swear it looks so good. I hope it tastes good. Wow. Wow. I have never been more proud of myself. This is so good. So good. This is exactly how I like my matcha to be. Perfect matcha flavor, perfect sweetness. I don't like my matcha to be too bitter. This is the right amount of sweetness. I used, I think, 1.5 or 2, spoons of stevia. The spoon that comes in the box, it's very tiny. I've switched my cameras, please don't mind. Also, I've not told you guys that I have a G7X now. It's one thing that I really wanted, like I desperately wanted like a G7, and I got it as a Christmas gift. But anyways, I'm taking my vitamins right now, which I am not skipping. You all know the drill. I've spoken about my vitamins so many times, I'm bored of speaking about them now. But yeah, my other camera, by the way, it just like the battery is dead, so I put the battery on charge. But quickly gonna take my vitamins, all of these, and then I'm gonna take a shower. I have been shooting like content for reels. It's been 2 hours. You all can clearly see the mess. But I think now I'm gonna have my lunch, and we have a salad for lunch. Let me just go in the kitchen and then I'll show you all. It's like a very basic salad. So you all know I have a cook, and I just told her to like prep a few things. I'm making a potato salad. I don't know if I've made it before on the channel or not, but it's very simple. So I just take like tomatoes, onions and cucumber. They are finely chopped. All of these she just chopped for me. And then these are boiled potatoes. These are like very tiny mini potatoes, and we are just gonna like smash them, put them in the air fryer and let them air fry, and then that's it. Just mix everything. First I think I should just quickly air fry them. I feel like there are so many things that I can make using my air fryer, but I barely do that. But anyways, you can see I've just like started smashing all these mini potatoes. Then I just put them in the air fryer, put some seasoning on, salt, pepper, some chili powder, and then they looked so golden brown crispy. My salad is ready. Usually I make like a yogurt dressing, but I didn't have yogurt, so I'm just gonna put like this ranch dressing, and this is another sauce that I'll be putting. It's like a sriracha chili sauce. Lunch is served, and right now I'm just gonna watch like YouTube. I think okay, Sydney has posted a new video. We are watching that. I'm going for my Pilates class. I actually forgot about it, and my instructor called. She was like, "Where are you?" And I was like, I forgot. But then I quickly like changed and removed my makeup. I wore like my workout outfit, and now I'm going. It's so funny, but yeah. Back from my Pilates session. I don't know what consistency I've gotten into myself. I've been going every day, even though I have alternate classes, but I'm going to my hometown for a while, like for 10 days, and so I'm just doing these cover-up sessions because I'll be missing a lot of sessions, and in a month there's like a certain amount of sessions that you have to complete. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is that right now we are making banana bread because I am just craving banana bread, and I will try to make it healthy. Like I said, I will try. I found like a couple of recipes. We will see. We will hope for the best. But right now, let's quickly make that. I'm also going to a friend's place, so maybe like I'll take a portion of it to his house. Me and Anik are going together. So I'm just waiting for Anik to come, and then we might bake together. He loves baking, even though he barely knows anything about that, but he just likes the feeling of baking. He just wants to be involved, so we might make it together. Let me call him and ask him where is he. Okay guys, here are all the ingredients. So we have, of course, stevia. Then this is vanilla extract. This has bananas, walnuts. My bananas are obviously ripe, like they have these black spots. These are best for making banana breads. Then we have some almond milk and baking soda, baking powder, oats flour and chocolate chips. And I am trying again to make this as healthy as possible, which is why we have oats flour and not I don't know, the normal one, which is not good for you. Then we have a sugar alternative as well. Again, there's a whole thing about stevia not being a great alternative, but this is what I have right now, so we're gonna just do whatever we can with whatever we have. And also I just realized that I don't have the pan, like the tin, so we are gonna technically make banana bread but in muffin format. I don't think I mind that. I love muffins. So now let's get to work. dry ingredients, these are our wet ingredients. We're gonna mix the two. This has like banana, olive oil, vanilla extract and some milk, and this one has oats flour, baking soda, baking powder. I added a little bit of cinnamon powder, a pinch of salt, and sweetener. I've used stevia. Now let's mix these two and hope that our mixture turns out to be of perfect consistency. Like, it has to be a little not runny, you know what I mean? Our muffins are ready, and we are gonna take maybe 2 or 3 for our friend. We are going to his house, and I want to start this habit of taking something, like rather than just buying something from outside. It's so much better. And I remember we are going to Ayush's place, and I've not really given anything to him the first time I went to his house, so this should be like a great gesture. Guys, we have our muffin. So the thing is, we did not fill the container thing fully, so it doesn't look like a full blown muffin. If you look at it like this, it's gonna look really pretty, but like this, it doesn't look that pretty. But you wanna try?
I'll try it first.
No, let me try.
Actually good. Nothing wrong with it. The ones you have.
These are very freshly baked, so they're still like a little warm, but taste wise it's good,
I'll
yeah.
have another bite. I actually like it. I like the choco chips, which I added in the end.
Okay, now let's go. We are very late. We are here. We are going.
Oh, you forgot? Where we are going?
I was just checking.
This painting is so cool. It's made of threads, like actual threads. So cool.
Okay, the lift is here.
See why? Yes. Let's go! Thank you.
Please
so
remember.
much. Muskan.
I was just gonna say, please remember.
I have put choco chips. That's my contribution, and that's gonna be the best part.
His house is very aesthetic.
Yeah.
Even I want to have like a big TV with a console and like this thing. This is what we had for dinner. Ayush got like this really good protein based pizza made for us, loaded with so many veggies, and it was so yummy. Had that while talking about so many things. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you all want me to do more of these, or like what I eat in a week kind of a video. Let me know, like put it in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.